Three times. Dead already? Where you feeling it? Where you feeling it? Huh? You have? Reason what you the modification you need. Take a little break. My God! Oh. Huh? I want more recruits. You want to go on a cruise? That sounds good. Oh yeah? You been on cruises before? And you heard over here. But what we're gonna be doing is interchange. So one burpee, one burpee, while the other person pulls. Once that person pulls, the person that just pulled do a burpee. And then the person that just finished the burpee pulls. Interchange. So we have 2 sets. We can use one, or we can use both. But that's certainly good. I've already done the 2 burpees, so by the way, 1 burpee. Pull. After you pull, you do a burpee. You go back to pull. When it's straight, somebody's thinking you're gonna have to wait. Yeah? Down and back. Wait, Caesar, wait. So you can start with burpee. So drop the rope, do your burpee, somebody else pull. Try to maintain that. Too light. Don't stop. Wait, I skippered though.
Yes, you did.
No, sorry.
Did you enjoy it?
Oh. Look at me.
You can do too.
I'm gonna get mad at Renee.
Sorry.
Look at her. I know. You kind of push to go fast. Don't worry about going fast. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm back to be a little bit happy now. Okay. Here we go. Gotta put it down. You don't want to get kicked out of the gym for making loud noises. You don't know you can't make loud noises in Planet Fitness? You can't drop the weights. Oh, you never know? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Jesus, CJ, look. CJ, glad you get on, man. Okay. I mean, how do I explain this to you? But you don't have to drop the weight. It's like only if you're doing like, there you go. You never been to a gym and you live and you don't drop the weight. You never get the weight. Huh?
Nothing like, why are you dropping the weight?
Yeah, no. Not Planet Fitness. So see how you have some strongmen lifts and stuff,
Yeah.
and you'll hear them doing deadlifts over here,
Yeah.
and you'll bang, 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 bang. You can't do that in Planet Fitness. First of all, they don't even have bars like these, or platforms like these. So you can take a break, or you can keep going. So we got one more round. Never in front of this.
Ready again?
There you go. Good job. Take some more effort for that one. You're getting really warmed up. You look like a little kid, huh? I don't blame you. I've been doing that in my. I've been doing that all the time. All right, you got a minute.
At Eastern Washington University are accelerating online programs in healthcare, business, education, healthcare, and more. Our degree programs provide flexibility for 100% course and offer an affordably accessible way to career success and help us support our expert guidance on staff. Go to online.edu.edu today to find the accelerated online programs for goals.
Yes. I started to feel like this is like a concept Demonstration. It's gonna be like number. Yes, I see.
See you guys, bro.
Alright.
I locked the door. I locked the door.
Okay. Yeah. Like dumbbells or like those 5 pound, 10 pound things. I should say that. You want to do like Right? Go. over. So, as you move the shoulders,
Move to the front and move to the back. Move to the front and move to the back. Move to the front and move to the back. Move to the front and move to the back. Back, back, back. Move to the front and move.
hurry up, CJ. Wow, CJ, she's using 8 pounds. She's using 8 pounds and you're using 8 pounds? Really, CJ? Alright, let's go. So, until failure, at least 10. Yep. Try to keep them like, yeah. Relax, man, relax.
Oh, Lord, I hate you so much. Lord, you.
Come on, you got this. These are some very nice reps. CJ, you did already? CJ, I thought you were just warming up. These are, come on, drive up and hold it. Drive up, all the way up, and hold it. Yeah, come back down. So you drive up and hold it, you should feel that punch. Then you come back down. Nice, CJ! This is the first movement that I see you actually execute all the way. I was not expecting you to hit the ball all the way in. Good job, man. You should start forward back a little bit. Let your feet remain the same way, but your hips and your abs go forward. Forward a little. Drive it all the way up. Huh? 15 inside. Come on, hold that top. how she had them. Try to keep them off the ground. I'm not giving you a lot of weight to do today, huh? What happened? Huh? What happened? Come on, let's hit it. Drive up. Hold for a second. Nice. Drive up. Nice. Up. Nice. Nice. I reached my destination. Already get that hold. Nice. Stop cheating me. Nice. It's burning, huh?
Flamingham University, where you'll find all your favorite Flamingham snacks from Cheetos to Doritos and Funyuns to Ruffles, and learn how to unleash your Flamingham. And learn courses that teach you how to fire up the full flavor, extra edgy version of yourself, and represent Flamingham alongside your snacks. Only at Flamingham University. Tell the man to start class today.
Hey, when I was a kid, I was bullied in the house and hoes when she was fashion. They said the states, I care about people's reactions. I don't react. All those people that's watching me fight for me to the world, they happen. I get my piece of the world, they Jesus the same way.
That's 2 sets, right? One more. You. Alright, since this is the last set, just pose it out. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. No pause. Up, down, up, down. Up, down. Drive up, all the way up and down. Up and down. No pause. Up, down, up, down. No pause, no pause. dumbbells. We went side. Forward. From here. Same number. That one is going to be harder. And now we're going to spin share. This thing. Or we can use bench, but I'd rather you use this. One person can be facing that way, one person facing this way. Have your ankle here. Dumbbell in one hand. Dumbbell in one hand right here. And extend. Drop it down. Make your way up. Control yourself. Focus. I don't want nobody to be rushing this one. Okay? Drive hard through the heels, trying to target the hamstrings and the butt. Okay? You okay? Gonna fight for you, man. And relax at the same time while you fight it. Yeah, so we take the dumbbells. Some heavy dumbbells. Yes, heavy dumbbells.
Is that the two?
Yes.
Were there like 5 reps?
Huh?
Were there like 5 reps?
What are we talking about? No, that dumbbell stay for that, but the dumbbell for this.
No, you didn't say that part.
I did say
You said
dumbbell.
we're keeping the dumbbell.
Yes, for this.
Yeah, you didn't specify. Change dumbbells for that.
Fine, Yvette. You're gonna change the dumbbell when you're doing the single.
I know you think about this when you go home and press this out.
Me?
Just one?
I just smile. Just one. Go heavier. You need like a 20 pound. That's too light.
Says me or you.
Says me to
No,
you.
I'm over here.
Okay.
You're cheering on the side.
Yes, yes. I'll be here cheering you on.
No, you're laughing.
Is that what I
Exactly
do?
like that. You're struggling. You're not struggling.
I mean, I did my fair share yesterday and I was dying.
I saw you at the whatever, the leg workout.
Yeah? Oh yeah, you posted it earlier.
I was like, yeah, why?
Good job, TJ. Good job. Good job. Yep. You're realizing you're feeling your core when you're struggling? Good. It's all in the game. Good job, yeah? Good job. Come on, let's get it. Come on, let's get it. Other side, dumbbell on the other side. That dumbbell is too light. Like too light. That leg in front, a little bit forward. Very nice, very nice. Alright, 12 reps. I would love for that leg in front person hamstring. Good. Try not to twist the knee. Try to keep it in one position. That's why you have to drive hard through the heels. There you go. Yep. But I want that leg forward. Take your time and get it in. Take your time and get it in. That way is so easy. Back in is down in. Yes. Don't worry, we're not doing a heck of a bunch of exercises today. Yes, both sides. Easy, right? I know. But I thought when I decided to use it too. Huh? You're working out for heaven's sake. You're going to feel pain.
No, we still come back anyway. It's not like we're singing.
Don't you hear me, Ransom? When I was doing my leg press?
And I'm like, you still come back
It's
anyway.
like that all the time. All the time. I finish the set, I'll be dying, I'll be laying down, I'm like, why am I here? Why are you doing this here? I have random people sometimes I see them, I'm like, why are we doing this? And it could be a puzzle. I don't know. You're doing really good at these, right? Damn. And I was struggling with those weights. Are you feeling your core? Got some 50s, man. You get me? And I see you're doing as good as you're struggling in the 6 reps. Remember, the heavier, you don't even have to wait for me to tell you. The heavier you come, lighten your weight. Okay? Do one at a time. I'll show you how. Yeah. Remember, this one is no rush, man. Fine tune it. Fine tune it. So right here. feel that my ass is working. I need to feel my ass is working. Relax, get into the zone. It's just you, your muscle. You and your muscle. Go ahead. Wait on the other side. Keep on, man. Bring the heels down. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Very good. Very good. Yep. Huh? You know that's one of the best feelings in the world, right? When you're working and you're feeling your ass burning. I love it. Trust me, I love it. Good job, CJ. Good job. Yep. Drop it in that hole. Yup. 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 Good job. Yup. Put the front leg forward a little bit more. Okay. Hop it. Hop it. That's two, right? You guys remember how the working sets, how much sets there normally are? Decent work. Real working sets. That's, well, we might not have. We might not. You got 10 minutes. You got 2 more sets? You gonna get some heavier weight for that one?
Nice.
Love it. Woo! That one's easy, huh?
I would add my flexibility.
Huh?
That's why.
You said what?
Flexibility is down.
It's bad.
Seems like it's like.
It's a very complex internal movement.
It seems like it
You're working on those shoulder muscles that is normally not necessarily targeted when you do it more complex movements.
camera. It's a 20-minute dumbbell. You know, look at that.
Huh?
20 minutes. Put down 20 minutes dumbbell.
Oh, the one that is? Is this a full body one? Squat, squat, incline, chest press, and four. So then for the last one, you can either use your weight or no weight. Either way is fine. We'll try to go up and down, up and down. Go positive. Up, down, up, down, up, down. If you get a lot of weight, go up, down. If you do it without weight, up, down, up, down. But one of the dominant is to do weight. If you let, you don't have to do the weight. Go fast.
What's up, failure on the legs or just reps?
Same number. For the arms, too, try to go faster with the arms. Last set. Last set. And I'll send you guys the video, send you guys the link to the video just in case you want to reminisce. Nice. Yes. Forward back, forward back, forward back, forward back. Forward back, forward back. Okay, let me know when you guys are done. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Come on, pump it, pump it. Pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. Faster, Renee, faster. Come on, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Good work, good work. Simple and spicy, huh? Yeah. Well, maybe.